This Bitcoin dump weighs a ton as the ton network collapses as well. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Da Vinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5, staying alive here in Dubai. Man, it's crazy. Ton network. Wow. They have collapsed. And I got this meme now. I'm going to have it ready for you guys now for the video because it's pretty funny. And then we're going to go over the TA because actually this dump is 100% technical, and we'll talk about that and how to trade it in today's episode. And if you're interested in trading, you can do so at bybit.davincij15.com, and also head over to rns.davincij15.com to get some ID. You could always get other IDs, but yeah, this is the cheapest one I've found. There's the new news for today, right? A lot of things going on, right? But Bitcoin 3-year chart pattern nears a breakout point, but analysts expect 312% ROI, probably from here, right? Yeah, there's a few things going on with the NASDAQ filing SEC. We're going to talk about that. And Russian crypto exchange, but who cares, right? I mean, yeah. Within Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies allows for freedom, right? So we know that, right? That's why we're here, right? New global liquidity hits all-time high. That means that people are going to cash. So something big is coming down the pipe. And yeah, even NVIDIA went to cash with $120 million. Okay, NASDAQ files the SEC's approval to launch a Bitcoin index options. Okay, options are a little bit scary, right? If approved, in the NASDAQ index options will offer institutions and retail investors alternative risk and management tools, competing existing features and options contracts tied to Bitcoin. So what options are is basically you can put option, call option, so that let's just say you have a bunch of Bitcoin and you want to prevent your losses because you're going to use the cash for that Bitcoin if something happens. And so you buy some insurance. That's what a put a call is, to ensure that if the price drops below a specific point, that you will always get that price. So for example, let's just say you created a put, purchased puts at $50,000 Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes below 50,000, you could always sell it at 50,000. So that's an example of a put option, right? And then somebody else can write that option, right? And then sell it to you. So sort of like an insurance policy. So yeah, those are things that they're going to make the New York Stock Exchange wants to provide available. And that provides more flexibility for, investors, of course. Ton is struck by outage. No new blocks produced in 3 hours. Actually, it's now 5 hours now. Yeah, it's still down as we speak, as I record this. And yeah, exchanges have blocked the deposits and withdrawals until the network's up and running. So yeah, you can still exchange it, but yeah, you can't trade it. You can't actually own the ton coin. And I got this meme right here, right? Ton coin blockchain straight up not working. And so I'm just like, first time. Damn. Yeah, it goes to show that if this is happening, right, and it depends on how fast they repair it, right, and it might be a centralized network, but I can't say that for sure because I did not look at the coding ton network. So yeah, I have to look closely to let you know if it's more centralized. Every single network has, other than Bitcoin, is closer to centralization than Bitcoin is, but there are degreeing levels of that centralization. So take a look at the charts. You see this was a pure technical play. Once Bitcoin broke this downtrend, this uptrend here, it was lights out. So we spilled down pretty heavy, and now we're back right here at the 60K ish area and 69,000. And yeah, I think we have to decide whether we're going to continue downward or up or reverse this action. But yeah, we have to wait and see. But this is not a positive sign for Bitcoin, and most likely this is a managed situation because, well, the powers that be don't want Bitcoin and Ethereum to rise. they need to be able to purchase it, and they can only purchase it in down markets. So that's it. So that's what we have here. We have a down market. Looks like Ethereum has headed downwards, but we've bounced off of a key support area. So that is very important. If we can hold that support area, then we can see some positive action. But right now, this is not good, right? We have no clear upward situation, right? You can say, yeah, there we go. That's a trend. The trend is not your friend when you're talking about bullish situation. You can see the trend on the volume is the same. So nothing has changed, except we are in a negative downtrend and things are not looking good. And looks like we have to wait till like October to maybe see some sort of turnaround in this market. So I think we're going to see some sort of like massive dump because of powers that be, and both the banking system, corporations who want to buy into this, all have a vested interest to keep the prices low during this next cycle. So you can expect it, so that they all have different reasons, but when you have that trifecta happening, expect the prices to continue downwards. With the global liquidity increasing, meaning that people are actually going to cash, this is what's going to happen with across the board on all crypto. So yeah, be ready for all crypto to take a very punishing dip in the next little while. That's just the way it is. And yeah, trade carefully. Cheers.